Hi loves, this is what it likes living in an island in Mindanao.
Tag-2 siya, tag-5. Ha? Tag-2? Famous pandesal. Sakto rin daw ng kagugong. Hi guys, tropical place. What it's like in a tropical day. Let's go to the beach. I can hear the sounds, Fernando. Not Fernando. Hello, Mr. Sun. Oh, there's a dog though. Please wait today. Oh yes. Hi, Don. Good morning, Don. This is a pandesal that we bought earlier. Across the beach, and Mr. Sun, and coffee in the tumbler. Coffee in the tumbler. Okay. Good morning. Hi, hi, Tay Tay. I have a pandesal here, to. You want? Tay Tay. Hey, Tay Tay. Tay Tay. Hey, Tay Tay. Tay Tay. Tay Tay. Hey, come here. Tay Tay. Hey, Tay Tay. I have pandesal here. It's super hot, toy. Ah, Tay Tay. Hey, hey. I will put here, okay? And you go grab. Go. People are pulling the nets. Kau tagpila ka mo ka oras magsingod din eh.
Duha.
Aduha ka oras. Hamok mga dilutos ng mga kuan. Gani. Early in the morning, so it's good, right? Let's walk under the sun. By the beach. Let's mag-start din. Narira kami sa likod. Just pulling the nets up to. I have a previous video of that where they already get the net, the fish. Because if they're doing that for 2 hours, like after they catch the fish, no, after the net is on the shore, whatever is the catch, they will share, and the owner of the boat or owner of that nets and whatever, they will select which catch is good to sell, and the others they can share. So here it's already shore sudan. If they catch a lot, much better. I'm hoping that they won't fall for the tiny one, right? So that they can still grow and have more babies and have more fish in the ocean. But it don't, because the net holes are really tiny, so it touches whatever go inside into the net. Shell, starfish, starfish. What you call this?
Anak-anak ko. Oh, pita. Bro, sini dulu tadi. Ito. Terus. Dari ka mali ton. Oh. 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 Yap. Uy, dagan malapati. Malapati. Buaya ko. Buaya. Loko sa loko. Buyat kali sa kali. Buyat. Buaya ba dito? Kani dito kani. Buaya. Ito may tangkik ko ba to?
Dito tuy hayas. Lagi hayas sa para. Ayaton.
Ano lupa na ho? Lupa na mo.
Dito, kuha ko dito. Kuha lukos.
Oh, dari. No, dari nokos.
Papatay ni.
Dito, kuha ko dito.
Bagas na. Bagas na.
Kuha nito lukos.
Itong service, okay to.
Balik.
Datang balik.
Tinataw na higan. Balik mo sa laod. Balik mo sa laod.
Balik dito lang.
Oh, ibalik lang ito, ibalik lang.
Managbuhay sa malay.
Ibalik lang, balik.
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 Sakay. Yaw ka dito sa kasalo.
Balik buhay.
Mamanga ito.
Dari na kailangan.
Manga ito mamanga. Layo po. Tala-tala. Kaaman ang tuyahon. Dito ka. Dari ka apang. Ako gani kang apang ang pangadyanay pero sa mga pagkantay. Dito ka man ang tuyahon. Ito ko lang may lamig kailangan. Pekuon. Ang jellyfish kinisabay man sab.
Dayod.
Oh my god.
Kaya. Ada bayuk, Kang? Hah? Ada bayuk.
Ito, sibuk sa'yo lang.
Oh.
Naghanap ko.
Ano? 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 Lag. Wang ito. Ano? Ano?
We're done walking. Long sandy beach. So we're sitting here under big tree, and we have our coffee and pandesal. Malunggay pandesal, init pa. Oh my god, we have friends. Hello. And we're going to eat our pandesal and coffee. Okay, there. We put the coffee in our tumbler. Coffee, not coffee, Milo. It's still hot though. Okay, it's in the sun now. Pandesal. Our coffee. Okay, we can open. Even pot.